Yes.
So what is the response of the state?
See, the response from the state government is this. I'm telling you, as I said you, why these 3% they doing this? Why not come to the state government? In the first place, please come to the state government, come to the district administration, or now if you cannot come to the district administration, go to civil subdivision. We do have the administration closer to the people, that area. But I fail to understand why do they have to go directly to the honorable government. That is number one. That is a big question. And number two, I'm afraid maybe these people, they have some malign intention as far as the governance that we are running the state of Meghalaya. Because government, MDA government, we are all out for everybody, both for tribal and non-tribal. And then we keep saying this, that we treat them as our brothers and sisters for both the community.
But will government take action against these people who are trying to mislead even the Prime Minister's office and the government?
We have already asked the concerned authority to go through all the details, examine, and then if need be, we will discuss it even in the government.